Second step for the mathematical statement to prove by the induction is let us assume that result holds true at n is equals to k. Let us assume that p of k is true. That means the value of this statement at n is equals to k holds correct. This is not to be verified. This what we are assuming. Meaning by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 in place of n we have to put k, and result is equals to k into k plus 1 upon 2. So ultimately what is coming out? The coming outcome is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 k is equals to k into k plus 1 upon 2 is assumed step. This step we have assumed that result holds true at n is equals to k. If it is true, now we need to verify that it is true on the next step even. What will be the next step? This step is n is equals to k. The next step is n is equals to k plus 1. So step number 3, to prove this mathematical statement by the induction, we have to show what we have to prove or what we have to show. We have to show that n is equals to k plus 1. If I take n is equals to k plus 1, then this result must hold true. In order to make this n is equals to k plus 1, what we have to do? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus k. This is the statement till k step. Now I will take it as k plus 1, and this is equals to RHS will be k plus 1 into k plus 2 upon 2 by putting k is equals to 1. The value of this part can be taken from assumed step, that is k into k plus 1 upon 2, and further one more step was taken as k plus 1. If I simplify this part, I will get k plus 1 into k plus 2, k plus 1 into k plus 2 upon 2, which is our required right hand side. So what we can conclude, that in order to prove any mathematical statement, we have to follow 3 steps. First we will verify that it is true at n is equals to 1. Then we have to assume that result holds true at n is equals to k. And finally one more step we need to take, that it is even true at the next step k plus 1, as we have matched left hand side and right hand side.